Give us your assessment of the interaction between Jennifer Granholm and the oil companies, and what conclusions you can come to with respect to policy going forward and prices.
Well, I think the most important thing is that the conversation actually took place rather than just trading quotes and sound bites has been the case. And I think they did have some, constructive discussions. And there are only limited things that can be done, like reducing certain summer gasoline requirements and so forth, perhaps more flexibility in tankers. And one other thing that was important was actually saying that they'll cooperate together to do planning if hurricanes strike the refineries in the Gulf Coast. But the basic thing that's going on is it's a global refined product market. It's tight everywhere. Prices are high everywhere. And that's because Russia's, which is an important part of the system, is only operating partially. And Chinese refineries are only operating at 65%, whereas in the United States, they're operating at about 95%.
Aside from the refined products, what about the broader market, Dan? We were just talking to a previous guest about Russian policy and actions going on. And in this context, we're seeing the price of crude slipping rather than gaining. Tell me how you see the dynamics in...
Yeah, well, there are two things that are going on. One is, of course, that the market is very tight. But two is the recession, the R word, and the expectation, after you even hear that possibility from the chairman of the Federal Reserve, people are taking it seriously, and that they've had to choose the Fed between inflation and recession. They're going after inflation. And you see that in terms of shipping data and everything else. So I think that's what's easing its way into the oil price. What's striking, it's still holding up. And the other side of it, as I think you were discussing just now, is that Vladimir Putin has widened the war from a battlefield war in Ukraine to an economic war in Europe, where he's trying to create hardships that will break the coalition.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.